Alright guys, okay, so this is gonna be a little game I'm gonna be playing called See the Dog's Reaction during the dog whistle. I found this dog whistle thing online from this other computer, and first before we start, I'm gonna introduce my dogs to you. There's five right there. Can't see the fifth one. I don't know what fifth one is. Oh yeah, she's the end. Say, I have six actually. My other one is over here, and yeah, just be up there. Alright. Sorry, come here. Alright. So, first, that is Delilah, the wolf, and my dogs are climbing on my back. That black one right there, the one that's climbing all over me, Damari, she is a Shih Tzu Yorkie mix. And this one is a wiener dog, of course. His name is Shorty, and he went over there. This is Eddie, a Jack Russell. He's a little cute boy. So that's Macy, the pug. That has messed up teeth and an underbite, so her teeth go over. I don't know. I don't know if you can see it. Macy, Macy. I don't know if you can't see it right now. Yeah, this is Macy. That's Eddie over there, and this one's Mari. He's the vicious one. Ow. Okay, that's Fraizer. He thinks he's the alpha dog. He's a American Spitz, not a Pomeranian. He looks like one, but he's not. Yeah, that's all of them. The six. I'm missing one. So this is the second time I have to record it. Stay. Okay, second time I have to record it because my first one didn't record. Delilah is over there. You don't really react to this loud noise. Yeah, that's about it. Shall we get started? You can't see. Where is Fraizer? Alright. Stay. Stay! Back. No. Stay! Stop it! Alright. So I have them really under control. Control. Okay. Here we go. Stay! Let's look at Delilah. Not doing nothing. Delilah. Alright, that's good. Okay. Come on. Come on. You're under free. Why is he the only one? Look at me. Come on. You're free to go. Come on. Come on. You're free to go. Come on. Come on. You're free. You're free. Come on. Come on. You're free. Oh. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah! 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 Alright. That's my show, and my dog just fell. Alright, goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, pretty Delilah. Wait, where? Where Delilah? Where Delilah? Come on, Delilah, get up. You know you want to get up. Come on. Come here, Delilah. Come on, Delilah. Come on. Come on. Come on, pretty girl. Oh, this is oh, he's talking. You see that? No, you don't bark at her. Yeah, this is Lila. Stop jumping! You're gonna get her mad! You too! I'm about to put you back in timeout. Stop it! Stop it! Now you made her mad. She's gonna go lay back in her corner. Alright. Goodbye. Okay, I get my dog before she gets attacked by the wolf. No! Alright, bye.